Hello, everybody. Today I want to talk to you about the least sexy, redheaded stepchild, least shiny object of all marketing tactics. And why in the world would I want to talk to you about that? It sounds like a horrible thing to talk about, right? Like, what would be the point? Well, this tactic has a 4,200% return on investment. Wow, 4,200? That means for every dollar spent, you get $42 back? Yep. On average, for every dollar you spend on this marketing tactic, you'll get $42 back. Easy for me to say. I'm Nancy Burgess. I'm the owner of Nancy Burgess Strategic Marketing, and I'm here to talk to you today about email marketing. What? Email marketing? Yep. On average, emails get 20% openership. And you may think, oh, geez, I get all these emails and I don't really want a lot of them that I get. I mean, if you're like me, I have some email boxes that are pretty full of, I don't even want to say how full, of email messages. But if you're sending the right message to the right person at the right time, you will be successful. And obviously, a lot of people are successful if that's the overall average ROI across all industries. So we're going to talk about a few things today in episode 1. This is episode 1 of the least sexy email marketing tactic, and that is email marketing. So what do we want to talk about? So the first thing I want to talk about is the why. And the why is the ROI is the why, the return on investment. So that is a really good why. Now, when would you want to use it? Well, another reason you'd want to use it is if you can build a relationship with the customer or you have repeat business. If you have a business that's kind of a one and done, email marketing may not be the best strategy for your business, or an email strategy may not work for your business. But if you're going to be gradually, like if it's a big item purchase and you kind of need to like woo the person through the marketing funnel, like get them interested, get them attracted, get them a little more information, it may work for that. Or if you have business that's repeat business where people will come back and they're going to want other items from you. So one of the things you want to make sure you're doing is sending the right email to the right person at the right time. You don't, like right now, I don't need diaper coupons. My kids are grown. I don't need diaper coupons. I have gotten diaper coupons in the mail from Target. It's like, do I really want that? I don't think I really want that. So, you want to send the right email to the right person at the right time. And there's a few good ways to do that. And one way is to make sure you build your own database. If you are buying lists, there's a high chance that you're going to be seen as spam. And when you're seen as spam, the email service providers, the ESPs, like Gmail and Yahoo and Outlook and all those will start to see the emails that you send as spam, because no one will want to open them if you have a list that isn't a good list. And so what you want to do is you want to build your own list, and there's a strategy behind that. You think ahead and you say, what am I going to need to send to these people? What am I going to want to send? Am I going to want to build a relationship by sending something for their birthdays, for let's say a birthday email and a coupon or some sort of promotion, or just a good wishes? Does that make sense for my business, or do I need to capture other information, like are these people that want to get text appointments? Do I need to collect their other information, such as a mobile phone number for the texting or things like that? So what is it that, think ahead and see like what you're going to want to know. And one of the things you're going to want to know is what kinds of emails do they want? What do they want to know about? Do they want to know about diaper coupons? Or is that like totally not something on their radar? So depending on your services, you're going to want to start segmenting your list. And you start by thinking ahead with your strategy of how you're going to do that. So I'm going to talk about some email best practices in the next episode. But one of the best practices that I want to talk about in this version of email marketing episode 1, is how to collect those names. And that means using a lead magnet, something that people will want to give up their email to you to get more information like this. Maybe it's a good ebook that's worth reading. A lot of people have really enjoyed my ebook on social media marketing. I've gotten a lot of downloads for that. So what is that thing that you can offer? Is it a book? Is it something that they can't get for free, like an ebook, or something else that they really want, that they're willing to give their email up for that to get that information? And they can always unsubscribe if it's not something they want. And then you want to find out what kinds of emails people want and start segmenting your list. For example, I have some people who are web designers and web developers. They're going to want to know more about my emails about SEO and web design and the other things that we do, and they may or may not want to know as much about email marketing or social media or different things like that. So that's what we are striving to do, is to start segmenting that list of people that comes our way. So I'm Nancy Burgess. I'm the owner of Nancy Burgess Strategic Marketing. We transform today's brands for the digital world. And this is the end of episode 1. The next 2 episodes are on best practices for emails. And the second email I'm going to do is how not to be spammy, how to follow the CAN Spam Compliance Act and other information that you need to know about email marketing. Thanks so much.